Importing VM image from OVA template. Log in into the VMware ESXi and right click deploy and give me some name to the virtual machine and select the required OVA packages which you copied into the system. And click on next. Select the data store where you have to store the VMware machine and select thick and click on finish. The VMware image will get imported, and if you face the issue while importing, just check what is the error. I think there is an issue with the ISO. For that you have to go into the VMware folder or where the VMware images is copied. Yeah, and right click on the OVA file, open with Notepad to change the search for the CD drive command. Searching for it, we can use Ctrl F to search the required files. Yeah, there it is. Seems that it is somewhere else. I think I had to select drive or something. Yeah, got it. And there is a parameter you have to change it. There is a command called VMware cd-rom.iso. You have to change cd-rom.iso. Yeah, cd-rom.iso. Dot a remote pass-through. Just replace cd-rom.iso to remote pass-through and save the file. And do this activity again. Right click on it, click on register VM, select deploy virtual machine using OVA template, give a name to it, and select the VMDK and OVA files. Click OK, select next, and select the data store again. Click finish, next, and and finish. Yeah, you see the importing started, like it will started all the drives.